Imagine coming home after a long day. Your house is already the perfect temperature. Your favorite drink is ready. Dinner's being prepared. And you didn't have to lift a finger. This isn't science fiction anymore. Right now, thousands of people around the world are living with robots that clean their homes, serve their meals, and even mix their cocktails. Welcome to the age of the domestic robot. Your new butler, maid, and bartender all rolled into one machine. These aren't your grandmother's vacuum cleaners. The new generation of home robots are humanoid, AI-powered, and surprisingly capable. Companies like Tesla, Boston Dynamics, and dozens of startups are racing to perfect the home robot. And they're getting close. These machines can fold laundry, cook basic meals, organize your pantry, and even learn your preferences over time. The breakthrough is in the hands. Advanced sensors let them handle fragile items safely. AI-powered vision helps them identify objects. And machine learning means they get better at tasks the more they do them. You don't need to program them with complex code anymore. Just talk to them like you would a person. Clean the kitchen, fold the laundry, get the house ready for guests. They understand natural language and figure out the details. The average household spends about 4 hours a day on chores. These robots promise to give you that time back, so you can focus on work, hobbies, or just relaxing. But here's where it gets interesting. These robots aren't just for cleaning anymore. They're becoming social. Meet the robot bartender. It knows thousands of cocktail recipes, measures ingredients to the exact milliliter, and never forgets your favorite drink. Some models even use AI to suggest drinks based on your taste preferences, the weather, or the time of day. It's like having a personal mixologist who never takes a break. From dinner parties to weddings, robots are showing up as hired help. Companies now offer robot rental services. You can have a robot bartender or server for your event, just like you'd hire a caterer. And guests love them. They're conversation starters, entertainment, and reliable service all in one. Plus, they never get tired, never spill drinks, and never call in sick. The best part? When the party's over, they clean everything up. By morning, your house looks like nothing happened. But home robots are solving more than just chores. They're addressing loneliness, especially for elderly people living alone. In countries like Japan, where aging populations and social isolation are major concerns, home robots have become companions. They remind people to take their medication, help with physical therapy, and provide someone or something to talk to. For busy parents, these robots are becoming extra help, reading bedtime stories, helping with homework, even keeping kids entertained with educational games. And for working professionals juggling crazy schedules, robots create a sense of order. Coming home to a clean house, a prepared meal, and everything in its place, it reduces stress in ways people didn't expect. The more you use them, the more they learn your preferences. How you like your towels folded, what temperature you prefer in different rooms, even which music you listen to while cooking. For many early adopters, these robots have become indispensable. Not because they're perfect, but because they genuinely make life easier. Of course, there's a catch. Right now, these robots cost between $40,000 and $50,000. That's luxury product pricing, accessible only to the wealthy. But prices are dropping fast. As production scales up and technology improves, experts predict home robots could cost under $10,000 within a decade. That's smartphone territory. This shift will impact employment. House cleaners, personal assistants, and service workers will face automation. But new jobs will emerge too. Robot maintenance technicians, AI trainers, and home automation specialists. Then there's the privacy question. These robots have cameras and microphones throughout your home. They're constantly collecting data, learning your routines, recording your activities, understanding your habits. Companies promise this data is encrypted and secure. But it still raises questions. Who has access? How long is it stored? And what happens if there's a data breach? And unlike a traditional appliance, these robots update themselves remotely. Your household helper could gain new features or new data collection capabilities without you knowing. So where is this heading? The future probably isn't one general-purpose robot. It's multiple specialized ones working together. Imagine a home where robots coordinate with each other and your smart home systems. Your cooking robot checks the fridge, orders groceries automatically, and has dinner ready when you arrive. Your cleaning robot knows when rooms are empty and cleans without getting in your way. Adoption will happen in waves. First, the wealthy as a luxury item, then middle-class families as prices drop. Eventually, they could become as common as dishwashers or washing machines, just another household appliance. For some, this future means liberation from housework drudgery, more time with family, more energy for creative pursuits, less stress from the endless cycle of cleaning and organizing. But critics worry about dependency. When machines do everything for us, do we lose skills? Do we become helpless without them? It's the same debate we've had with every convenience technology, from calculators to GPS. The optimistic view: robots handle tedious tasks so humans can focus on what matters: relationships, creativity, experiences, the things that make us human. So the real question isn't if they'll be part of our lives. It's what kind of relationship we'll build with them. One thing's certain: your future home will have more residents than just your family, and some of them won't be human.